Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ella. So let's quickly make this egg recipe. Okay, so here are the eggs that I'll be using. Here is my red bell pepper, and here I have butter. This is my parsley. Okay, and I'm going to be adding some spring onions as well, just a little. And here are the bowls I'll be using to break and whisk the eggs. Okay, so and this is my salt. Pretty simple. So let's start by cutting all the vegetables. Cut it very tiny, okay, so that when you roll the eggs, it will be able to stay. Okay, it won't be breaking as you try to roll it. So as you can see, I'll just cut them into tiny bits. You can see that. Okay, all done. Next step is to start to break the egg, add just a tiny pinch of salt. Eggs don't take salt. And then yeah, just add some of the green and red colors that we chopped earlier. And then that's it. Okay, apply some butter on your pan and pour in the egg. Okay, so once you've poured it in, reduce your heat to low heat so that it will cook gradually. Okay, it doesn't burn. So once you've achieved that, just start rolling the eggs like so. And this is where you make sure you're using a non-stick pan so that it won't stick. You see, you can easily get off the pan. Okay, so once you achieve that, you roll it. Don't mind this place that is open, just roll it. You can apply a little more butter if you feel what you have there is not enough, and then pour the second egg. Again, you roll it. So guys, you keep doing this until you find the quantity that you want. Okay, okay, so we are done frying the egg. So I'm just going to cut it into sizes, and see it looking so yummy and so good. Okay, so I'm going to be pairing this with my rice. You can pair it with your yam, plantain, just enjoy it any way you want. Okay guys, I tell you, this egg is also who wants some? All right, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.